Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am coming back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is for those of you that are night owls. Either you want to work during the night shift, or you're trying to work two full-time jobs and you have one daytime job and you want to come home and sleep a little bit and then get back up and work the night shift. I don't know that I could handle all that, but this one is a full-time position, but it is a night shift. So we have the company Hotel Engine. They are the world's largest lodging performance network. They are hiring a member support associate for their overnight shift. Now, member support, that is a customer support role. They're looking for someone to collaborate with members through the phone, email, and chat to manage current reservations. You'll confirm with hotels that proper billing procedures have been followed and that the members have a seamless experience with their bookings and reservations. You'll resolve any difficult issues with their corporate contacts with positive and professional tone. You'll be meticulous about the details, making sure that you work out everything perfectly, and of course you'll provide feedback to the team so you can develop a more efficient process to work with the members in the future. Now, they do not require any degree. They don't even require you to have previous experience in hospitality field. That is a plus, but not required. They are looking for someone who can have a positive, energetic personality that translates over phone and email. Someone who can be enthusiastic about learning technology and supporting the IT development's needs. Someone who is an independent self-starter and can work with urgency while maintaining great organizational skills. Of course, you have to have great written and verbal communication skills and be a problem solver. Now, this is a work from home within the United States. They are paying a base salary of $20 an hour for this role, and they also try to target a bonus up to 15%. While they are open 7 days a week, you may need to work nights, weekends, and holidays. The shift they're really looking to fill is 4 days a week, 10-hour shifts. So it's a 4x10, and they're looking for someone to work 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. They also offer a complete benefit package that comes with medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.